Post-hospital chaos? How to do a med rec at home. The 5-minute safety check that saves lives. You just got home, you're tired, you're healing, and you're staring at a pile of paperwork and 3 new prescriptions. You're thinking, wait, is my parent still supposed to take the old heart pill, or does this new one replace it? This moment, the transition from hospital to home, is the most dangerous time for medication errors, but today I'm going to show you how to fix it in 5 minutes using a process called medication reconciliation. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Medication reconciliation, or MedRec, is a fancy way of making sure the list of meds you were taking matches the list the doctor wants you to take now. Laypeople aren't just allowed to do this. You're the only ones who can do it right because you know what's actually in your medicine cabinet. Step 1. The brown bag. Clear out your cabinets. Grab the prescriptions, the vitamins, the Tylenol, everything. If it goes in your mouth, on your skin, in your nose, or inhaled, it goes in the bag. Pharmacists call this the brown bag. Step 2. Write it down. Use a worksheet like the one in the description below. Note the name, the dose, like 25 milligrams, and why you take it. Step 3. The comparison. Look at your old list versus the hospital's new list. Look for 3 things: added meds, changed doses, and missing meds. Watch out for generic and brand names. Sometimes a hospital prescribes a generic version of a drug you already take at home under a brand name. If you take both, you could double your dose. That is a red flag. Final step, if anything doesn't line up, call your pharmacist or your GP. Tell them, I'm doing a med rec and I see a discrepancy. They will love you for this. It makes their job easier and keeps you safe. You don't need to be a doctor or pharmacist to prevent a medical error. You just need to be organized. Download the worksheet in the link below. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.